lighter. But this time I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try out like my...
Oh, forward, fish.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Oh.
Smash, smash!
Lighter. But this time I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try out like my...
There's one. They're rare, ultra rare.
This is an eye. I think it's gonna be another good. Another. Need to come up with some sort of name first. Yeah.
Still, he's staying down. Oh, there's the leg. Oh, forward, fish. Yeah, we're doubled up! Woo! Good morning, Instagram Live!
He's taking mine too.
Oh yeah, big eye.
Do you want me to net it?
Oh, baby! No.
I can put this in the rod holder.
No, it's okay.
It's still like taking line.
Oh, this one's back. That's a mondo. Back hook again. Ready?
Yep. Yes. That's a big one.
Okay, got it. Oh yeah. Yep.
Gonna be close.
Oh yes. Big walleye. Out here on Lake Erie, baby.
Shoulders would be bigger. In that belly. Oh no. And then since I usually always have that freaking only back hook.
Oh, for sure. Okay, that's free.
Oh yeah.
Oh!
It's got a big head.
Oh my god, dude, that's big.
It's got a big head.
Oh my god.
Looks like a
okay, keep
looks
calm.
like a pike.
He fucking choked it, but it's okay.
Yeah.
Oh baby.
I'm just gonna ease it. I got a pretty loose drag. So.
It looks like a pike, he says.
It does, doesn't it?
It does. Okay, ready?
Yep. Oh!
Oh my god.
Oh my! That's back-to-back 9.
Tanks. Oh, this one's way bigger than
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. That thickness.
Video?
Yeah. Holy crap.
Jeez.
That was crazy.
Yeah,
And then I'll get one of you holding the...
I guess I'll... Well, here, you grab your fish, I'll take photos of you.
That's very bad.
Can you switch a GoPro side?
Yeah, maybe I'll just do that. We need to wash this boat. fish. Oh.
But I'm somehow tangled in the other line.
Okay.
Or something's going on. Here.
No, go.
No, you just
no, you go.
Here, I just caught the 10-5.
Dude, that was a weird turn too.
Yeah, it just paused. That's the one that I just reeled in so it wouldn't snag.
Absolute mayhem out here.
Hey everybody, hope you're enjoying the video so far. I wanted to quickly go over some on the water stuff to kind of explain the backstory behind this video and what I'm doing to catch these walleye. As you can see in the video, I'm using planer boards and I'm fishing pretty shallow on Lake Erie for these walleyes. And what I'm really focusing on is underwater structure. So these fish are not like the fish that you catch out in 60 feet of water, you know, out of Port Colborne, out of Crystal Beach, those nice 3 to 4 pound eaters. These are a different kind of fish that are living on the shallow reefs pretty much all year round in our area. And this is a bite that I'm sort of new to. I've spent the last couple weeks dialing it in and seeing what makes these fish tick in there. So basically what's happening here is these fish are in shallow, spawning in the spring, and then hanging around for the gobies. For that reason, I'm using my side imaging to find underwater points and rock where those fish are hunting. I'm also using a map so that I can stay on those high percentage areas and hopefully catch more fish doing that. It's a really detailed, targeted way of trolling structure that wouldn't be possible without side imaging and a mapping unit to make sure I know where I am. So that's sort of the technical explanation of what I'm looking for and what I'm doing. In a bigger sense, what's happening here is basically Lake Erie has two types of walleye. One, which is a migrational walleye that follows warming water from the western basin all the way around the lake as the water heats up. Then the second type of fish is that resident type walleye that's living on structure pretty much for the whole year. And those are the big fish that I'm targeting here in the middle of June. The middle of June time frame can sometimes be tough for fishing. Lake Ontario tends to slow down a bit. You can still have really good days, but definitely if you're thinking about getting out with me, think about coming out in the middle of June for some of these big walleye. They're a lot of fun.
Fish on the outside. Yep. I'm not confident that there's exactly a giant on there.
There was a fish there.
Yeah, I saw it get in last.
That's okay. Are you clear of the board?
Oh, sorry.
No. Ready?
Yep.
Got him.
You got the front hook too. That's the first one.
Yeah? Choked it.
Well, no wonder why he stayed on when I put it back in the holder.
Here's button. He wasn't getting on. Alright. You want to do a release here? I'll get it on.
So what in the world has come over? What in heaven's name have you done? You broke in the speed and the sound of the loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the